Property manager hit the line like,
we need you one more time.
stains be gone, pulling, put it up. Let's ride, yeah. Call for one move out clean, yeah, we on the way. 5 areas looking rough, we gon' say today. Dust stains, traffic lanes, yeah, we seen it all. But when we step inside, watch them park and stand tall. Pre-spray going down, let it break it loose. CRP at the tug and now we turn it loose. Hot water extraction, yeah, we rinse it right. Bring that carpet back to life, make it fresh and bright.
Property ready, yeah, we on a mission. No delays, we handle business. In and out, no time wasted. Clean so deep, you gotta face it. Every door.
Fast dry time, moving ready. Yeah, we leave it clean, looking fresh and steady. Fast dry time, moving ready. New tenant walking in like this already. Fast dry time, moving ready. No stress, no mess, yeah, we keep it ready. Fast dry time, moving ready. Stains be gone, yeah, you know we ready. Yeah, truck mount humming, yeah, that pressure strong. 5-inch finish, leave nothing wrong. No sticky residue, no dirt coming back. Just soft, clean carpet with that fresh looking tag. Manager love it cause we keep it tight. Turnover quick, got the timing right. From move out mess to move and shine. We flip that unit in record time. Yeah, tenants coming, keys in hand. They walk inside like dang, who did this, man? No smell, no stain, just clean that flow. That stains be gone, touch, yeah, now you know. Fast dry time, moving ready. Yeah, we leave it clean, looking fresh and steady. Fast dry time, moving ready. New tenant walking in like this already. Fast dry time, moving ready. No stress, no mess, yeah, we keep it ready. Fast dry time, moving ready. Stain be gone, yeah, you know we ready. Yeah.
5 areas down, yeah, we knocked it out. Before and after, God, I'm talking about who you call for that clean, so mean. Stains be gone, yeah, we keep it pristine. Hey.
Raeford to Fayetteville, we cover ground. When that car come in, yeah, we come around. Professional, fast results on display. Move out today, move even same day. And if you got a unit and you need it right, cause stains be gone, we gon' make it bright. Fast dry time, yeah, we keep it tight. Moving ready every single night. And now on 580, figure what's in. Stains be gone, we do it right. Yeah. Property manager hit the line like,